Hey guys, today we're going to be doing my September empties, and I honestly don't really have that many at all this month, but I thought I'd still show you what I used up anyway. So yeah, this will probably be quite a quick video, but let's just get into it. So the first thing that I used up were the NAC Hair Nourish Shampoo and the Nourish Conditioner. I got these from Cade's mum as a Christmas present last year. Bless her, she's so beautiful. But I just don't get on with these. So first of all, the smell, like, it's weird because part of it smells really nice, but the other part, it smells like dog shampoo. And it really, it's so like, I don't know. Like, I feel like every time that I've washed my hair with them, I just don't feel clean afterwards because I remind myself so much of dog shampoo, and I feel like it's such a strong, intense scent, and it stays on my hair for so long, and it just smells so bad. And like, it doesn't smell bad. Like, I feel like dog shampoo like smells like nice-ish, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like they obviously try and, like, it makes your dog smell nice, but you don't want it for your own hair. So I think the scent is just so odd. Like, I don't know why no one at the, like, you know, headquarters was like, yo, like, we put dog shampoo scent in these. So yeah, that was one thing. Like, even if I absolutely loved this product, that was just something that I just don't think I could get past. In saying that, I didn't really love them that much. I feel like they were nice, but they didn't, like, hold a light to my Goldwell Just Smooth. And I think that maybe, like, you know, I feel like something that's really important to me and my hair care is, like, I like my hair to be smooth and, like, not frizzy and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so unfortunately they were not for me. I still use them up, obviously, because it's shampoo and conditioner, like, but yeah, I just really did not enjoy them, unfortunately. So next I used up the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This was one of the first things I ever ordered from Mecca. I feel like I still remember, like, my first Mecca order. It was like this. It was like the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I think it was also a pair of lashes from Mecca. So that would have been back in 2017, 2018, I think. So this is, like, at least 6 years old, which is insane. And honestly, I like it. It says on here that it's meant to be used in 6 months, so that's great. But yeah, I finally used it up. Lol. It is a really nice primer. It's, like, very, like, hydrating and stuff. It's interesting because I remember when I first bought it, I didn't like it at all because I was like, this is really, like, shit. And I feel like that's why it took me such a long time to use it. But now that, like, I feel like the things that I look for in makeup have changed and stuff, I do really enjoy it. It's really hydrating and nice, makes your skin feel really nice. It's called the Replenishing Face Primer. But I feel like, yeah, replenishing, hydrating, you know, it's really nice. I think you can still get it, hopefully. Let me actually just search it up because I know that it was, like, I think it was, like, a big product of theirs. Yeah, you can still get it. $70? Girl. Oh my god, I totally forgot about the face mist as well. They've also got the Hangover face mist. I'm pretty sure I bought that at one stage as well. I don't know if I end up using that up or what, but yeah, it is nice. But yeah, I do like it. I probably wouldn't repurchase it at this stage because I still have so many, but in the future I would consider rebuying it. Next thing I used up was the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. It was so funny. I was going to take this on holiday with me, and I went to use it, like, I don't know, a couple of days before because I was like, oh yeah, like, I'll just make sure, like, you know, it suits me and it looks nice and stuff. And then I used it up when I did that makeup look, so it was lucky that I didn't take it with me. Yeah, it's nice. It doesn't look used up, but I promise it is when you look down there. It's like, yeah, it's gone. I really like this. I think it's nice. Mine is in the shade 160C for reference. I really like the packaging and everything like that. And I just think it's a really nice foundation. It's called the Luminous Foundation. I would really like to repurchase it, but same as the Hangover Primer, it's not something that I will repurchase yet because I still have a lot of foundations to go through. So that was literally everything that I used up in September. I really didn't use that much at all. So yeah, sorry, I know there wasn't much there, but thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!